drive.
Dispatch, requesting authorization to continue pursuit of 1044.
Copy that, and with the update issued to all local units.